Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to do a review and demonstration of this Klein Tools heavy duty wire and cable stripper. Okay, this is a Klein Tools heavy duty wire and cable stripper, and the way it works is you take the wire, you put it in, and you twist it. Now this is a piece of 4/0 aluminum service wire. This is what's used for the underground service that runs to the house. This aluminum, alright, 4/0 for a 200 amp service, which is most common. So what I'm going to do, and this will do copper. This is measured in this one. So 4/0 copper is smaller than 4/0 aluminum, so I have to use the next size up. So I'm going to take this. Hold on. Alright, there we go. And I just spin it on there. Okay, there it goes, see? Okay. Now, this is a piece of 2/0 aluminum, and I'm going to use the 3/0 copper size. Okay, and that's where it cuts off. Now, it does do other sizes. I just wanted to demonstrate that for you. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.